Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I love growing my bangs out. They're getting to the cool part of the growing out. Less fussy, more cutie, little dangly bits of hair. It's so sweet. I love saying things about how sweet I am. If I don't, who will? You know what I'm saying? Today we have a double unboxing of Allure and Allure bonus box. The beauty box is the special edition, which is super heavy and chock full of stuff. And we're gonna open this month's Allure. I just subscribed to Allure for a year because it's a $15 a month box. It's fantastic. They put in at least 1 to 2 full-size items, I think, in a month, and for 15 bucks. Actually, it was a little less than that because I subscribed for a year. So, oh, is it time, Kitten? Is it time, Ruby? Ruby, do you want to come up? She loves being on the video. She loves being held by the mama. She's such a good kitty. Oh, I just dropped the big special box. But look at her little sweet face. She just loves it. And there's the little belly. She's healing up from getting fixed. Good girl. All right, go down, frolic, play with things. So we've got a box full of stuff for the Allure. And I'm gonna start with this big thing here. Ooh, everybody likes to start with a big thing. Ooh, what am I talking about? It's from Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Let's take her out of the box. This is actually my second go. My first video got ruined and I could not fix it, and I don't know how to edit, but it would have been a good time to learn to edit. But this is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, and this is $39. So this more than pays for the $15 box right there. If you run a Google image search on glass skin, your screen will be flooded with pictures of complexion so glowy they're almost reflective. They seem a tall order for me, a person whose skin has sheen more like aluminum foil than glass, but I'm pleased to report this serum has given my stressed out looking complexion the extra oomph it needed to be dewy. I noticed an immediate glow and plumping effect thanks to the hyaluronic acid in the blend. And so this is great. This is great. I can't wait to try it. I love using hyaluronic acid. I put it on my face every night when I go to bed, and then I put a moisturizer on top of it so it draws the moisture from the nice dewy lotion that I put on my face. It's a nice little serum, and the serum sucks anyway. The serum of the hyaluronic acid takes the moisture from the moisturizer I put on my face, and it makes my skin more plump and lovely. What are you crying for? You're fine. She's just walking around. There's nothing bad happening to her. Next up is from OC. And this is the OC Ocean Cleanser. And this is not a full size, but it is a generous travel size for sure. And it says, my skin is on the dry side, so the wrong face wash can leave my face uncomfortably red, tight, and in need of a thick moisturizer, but I've got new oily patches on my skin and forehead that need something stronger than my usual cleansing routine. So I gave OC Ocean Cleanser with a mix of hydrating and clarifying oils a go. It neutralized all my T-zone, hydrated my cheeks, and left my skin glowing. Everything makes you glow in this box. Maybe. Anyway, the full size is $48. And that is in a nice glass bottle. Super nice. Super nice looking. Then we have this, which is the Botanic, B-E-A-U-T-A-N-I-Q, Botanic Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. And this is good for your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. And this is full size. It is sealed, so I can't, as you can see, it's like got a warm peachy kind of color in there. It says, blush is the unsung hero of my makeup bag. It can make everything better in seconds. That is, if you find the right formula and apply it strategically so skin appears to be sun-kissed, not sunburned. When I apply the Botanic balm to my cheekbones, outward to my hairline, the vibrant peach warms up my fair skin. As if I spent the day at the beach without all the exposure. I layer sheer but buildable formula on my lips. And then she also puts it on her eyelids too. So this is a $16 value, and it's in a glass container. It feels very nice. And that is full size. So there's 2 full-size items right there. So next is Natasha Denona, and it is an eyeshadow, and it is called, what is it called? Let me get my magnifying glass. A little ruby. I can't pick you up all the time. 126 Albaid. And this is not in the book because I looked. This is just a bonus, and it is a full-size single shadow by Natasha Denona, and it's gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm going to give it to a friend of mine who we are help rebuilding her makeup collection, and that will look great on a lid for just a kiss of shimmer. And this is on the back that says acne patches, and you just put, there's 8 of them in this package. You just put one of them over top of a pimple, and then it dries it out. Fantastic. This is wonderful. Then we also have the charcoal pore care mask, and that is in here. These little booklets always throw me off. Oh, and there's Sunday Riley ice. Where did I put that? Oh, there's Sunday Riley ice in here too. This is Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. And at first glance, this reminds you of icing. It's thick and smells like vanilla, but this cream melts into skin as fast as a serum, and it's really good at hydrating dry complexions, even rough, scaly spots. The formula is loaded with ceramides, which strengthen the physical barrier that keeps moisture in the skin. And so this is great, and it's a little, the full size is $65, but there's a good amount in here. There's like, it's pretty full. There's a lot on the lid. So that's super nice. And then this charcoal mask is Labco's Daily Skin Mask Charcoal. A lot of charcoal detox masks leave your face downright thirsty. They're often too much for my skin, but this is the rare one that I don't have to follow with hyaluronic acid. This sheet mask pulls dirt out of pores with charcoal powder, but it's also soaked in a serum that balances clarifying ingredients. Oh no, she's climbing. She was climbing the tower. Oh, that's terrible. Only bad things can come from that. It's not that sturdy, girl. Don't try to climb it. Oh my God, my heart just fell out of my stomach. Fell into my stomach. Anyway, so this is a great daily skin mask. So we've got 1, 2, that's a full size. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size items in here. And for $15, this is amazing. It's amazing for $15. And now I can't wait to get into the second box, which is the bonus box. There's no guidebook to this box, and it's the Allure Beauty Box Special Edition. And I think I got it because I subscribed for a year, and it is chock full of stuff. And there's no booklet, so this is a Model & Co. Eyelights, and a beautiful golden shimmery color. And that is an eye crayon for eyeshadow. It's not a crayon, it's liquid eyeshadow. And then we also have one in shimmery black. And it's got like a little glitter effect to it. It's another highlights. What's up, Ruby? She just wants to be the star of the show, and she can't always be the star. You can't be the star all the time, little girl. Anyway, I love having her, but she's pretty wild. And then we have a mini makeup eraser, and what you do with this is, I'm not taking it out of the box, because you take this and you put it in the washing machine, and then after that you can just add water and it'll take off all your makeup, and this is really handy. Then we have Mile High Club mascara from Rhonda Beauty, which is great. Everybody needs a mascara. I got a very good generous size sample of a Mika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Blah. Maybe I need more caffeine. So this mask is great for your hair. And then it got some more Modeling Co. And it's an eyeshadow trio. We've got 2 of these in here, and this is the first one. Some really nice neutrals. And then here's the other one. She's just trying to jump up doors, climb things. That's what little babies do. And then this is really pretty. Some rosy shades and a little taupe. So that's nice. Then you get Essential Lip Color from Cargo. It's in a nice metal case. And this is not a color I would use, but somebody will use it. So it's either going in my friend's box or a giveaway for you guys. I have so many giveaways coming up. I've got my 1-year anniversary coming up, and it's going to have it's a huge box, and it's going to have a bunch of Jeffree Star stuff in it. And it's good stuff. I know he's a creep, but his products are still good. And I bought a lot of it ahead of time before all the scandal. So hopefully you guys will be excited about that. Maybe I'll do 2 boxes, a Jeffree Star box and another box. This is Larizzi Liquid High Beam, and it is a highlighting gel in a little tube with a little swatchy thing, little doe foot. Then we have the Duce lip crayon, and it is in a beautiful dark berry color. Then we have NYX Lip Lingerie in a deep nude color, which is really pretty. That'll look great on a lot of people. Then we've got, this is a decent size, the Olay Eyes Pro Retinol Eye Treatment. And that's quite a few uses for the eyes. I'm excited about this. I have actually used this earlier to make my bangs fluffy. And this is the SGX NYC Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Very nice. Then there's a nail polish in here by Lacquer, Enhanced Color by London Town. And that is a really pretty basic pink. And then there are some clean skin little towelettes in these. There's 3 of them total. This was 2 of them. And it is oil-free facial cloths, 99% natural, derm recommended, sulfate-free, won't mess up your lash extensions or your blowout. So this is nice. And last but not least, we have a mask. And it is a Mammond Flower Lab Essence Mask, Narcissus. And this is a great face mask. So just look at all this stuff. This is a lot of stuff. This bonus party bag here is pretty amazing. And a lot of it's going in giveaways. A lot of it's going to go to my friend. But this is fantastic. And this was a freebie when I subscribed. So this month's box for July for Allure was great. This lid is stuck. But it's a fantastic box this month. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.